This article is part of the section, The Conversation Junior, where specialists respond to the doubts of young curiososats between 12 and 16 years old. If you have questions, do not hesitate to send them to tcesjunior@theconversation.com. Before you start, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and give like to this video, so you will not miss any more interesting content on scientific topics and curiosities that will surprise you. Today we will talk about a fascinating phenomenon, yawning. This ancient ritual is also done by our pets. If you have a cat or a dog, surely you have seen how they yawn. And surprisingly, so do birds, crocodiles, and even fish. The most curious thing about yawning is its contagion. Not only do humans yawn when they see others do it, but thinking or reading about yawning can also provoke them. Why does this happen? The word shading comes from the Latin oscitare, which means opening the mouth. This gesture, once initiated, is difficult to stop. The yawns arise in the third trimester of gestation and are maintained after birth. As we grow, the frequency of yawning increases, but there's an interesting detail. Children under 5 years of age cannot get yawns. This is related to the development of empathy and social cognition. The yawns are connected with empathy and social cognition as they help to synchronize the behavior of groups. They communicate states such as drowsiness or stress without the need for words, improving collective surveillance. In addition to its social function, other theories have been proposed about yawning, such as regulating brain temperature. However, the communicative hypothesis seems to be the most accepted among scientists. Contagion of yawning is also affected in people with empathy disorders, such as autism. More empathetic people tend to spread more, demonstrating that contagion depends on our social skills. The mirror neurons in our brain are responsible for this contagion. By seeing someone yawn, these neurons are activated, helping us to understand and imitate the actions of others. In conclusion, yawning is a very ancient form of nonverbal communication. This ritual is present not only in humans, but in many animals, which highlights its importance throughout evolution.